Alright, this video is about how to access your Google Drive. So if you go to google.com, the first thing that you're going to want to do is to make sure that you are signed in using this button up here in the top right hand corner. So you'll click this sign in button. It's going to take you to a screen that's going to ask for your email. You will type in your email address. Then it's going to take you to another page. This page is also going to ask for you to sign in with your email address. Then you're going to sign in with your password. And it's going to ask if you would like to, it's going to ask if you would like to stay signed in. I click yes. Then what it's going to do is it's going to bring you back to this original Google screen. You might notice that you are now signed in because you have this icon at the top right hand corner. Next to your icon, there is a waffle. Okay, this is a list of the Google apps that you have access to. One of the apps is Google Drive. So I'm going to click Drive. When it loads, it's going to be, yours might be empty. Mine has different categories. But what I want you to pay close attention to is actually the button over here on the left side of the screen. It says New. If your teacher asks you to create a new Google Doc or a new Google Slide throughout the year, this is where you'll go, and you'll click this new button, and then you'll click either Google Docs, Google Slides, or this More button where there's a ton more for you to choose from.